Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic, and I am super excited to bring you this video because this isn't exactly a review, more of an announcement, but we are now stocking SOE medical pouches. So if those of you guys are not familiar, SOE's in Camden, Tennessee. It's made in USA gear, top quality stuff, and we're now selling it. So I do plan on doing a separate review on all of these packs. We just kind of went and picked a few of their packs that I thought were really cool. So we'll do a full review on these later. I just wanted to make the announcement now that we have these in stock. And they're kind of limited, so if you're looking at getting one, then we have them in stock. We'll ship them. So you don't have to wait on it. If it's showing available on our website, we have them, we'll ship them. So the first pack I'll give you a quick view on is the low profile aid kit. We have them in several colors, including this one right here. Really excited about that red thread, looks cool. So this is a low profile aid kit. I end up putting this in my truck, but you can run this on your plate carrier. A number of ways you can run this kit. I use the PALS webbing. It's a low profile, pulls out. This is your kit here. And then you can run scissors, your complete IFAK in here. So I'm going to do a complete review on this separately, but those kits are there. So I've already done a review on their vehicle pouch here, so we have it in a couple different patterns there as well for you. So I'll put a link down below to my video that I already did on my setup for this. But these are really cool packs for your vehicle to make a first aid kit out of. So for now, the last one we decided to carry was the medical satchel bag. This is a little bit smaller than their vehicle kit, but still is a great size. It's a little bit smaller. I'll show you here in just a minute the inside of it. Let's open up the red one. That should be pretty easy to show on camera. So you still have the red grab handle to pull here. You've got PALS Molly on the back here. So open it up. So you have two sections here. You could easily run like a pressure bandage, a tourniquet here, chest seals, pressure bandage, not pressure bandage, compressed gauze. Very easily you could have a nice trauma kit set up here. And then you have a strap here. So to kind of show you the size difference here, this is the vehicle kit here, which has, I like the pocket on this one. And then this is the medical satchel bag. It's a little bit smaller, kind of gives you an idea on size comparison here. So in the next few weeks, I'll be doing individual videos on these bags here. I'll pack them out, kind of give you some ideas for you packing your own kit out here. So I'm really excited about this. I hope this is going to be something cool, a cool partnership between us and SOE for future things to come. So these packs are made in America, really good quality. You guys will not be disappointed in this. So hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.